Which of the following is the first step of scientific inquiry? Observation. And which of the following is a cyber crime? Fake identity. Fake identity, right? What is this? So shall we download? I think there are many more. That's why it took long time. Which of the following is the control center of cell? Nucleus. Sometimes the net becomes slow, then it will be quite difficult. Now, problem solved. Children, now keep silence. Eh? You can see it. Why are you standing? Ready? Please read the question, everybody. Answer. Question number 2. Cybercrime. Fake identity. Then, now next question. Control center of cell. Nucleus. Question number 4. But the following is related with faunal diversity. What does EI stand for? Environmental assessment. Number 1, right? Number 6. In which method of the following does the cutting method of reproduction occur? Hibiscus, right? Cutting. Hibiscus. Mango grafting. What is that? Grafting. Okay. Which of the following methods occurs? Dispersal of, in dispersal of lotus seed. Hydrochloric. Hydrochloric, right? Which one is the SI unit of retardation? Which statement is true about velocity? Time. Okay. What is the SI unit of force? BSQ. Define average velocity as the arithmetic mean of initial and final velocity of the body. Read also, eh? Okay? It's very easy. Number 2. What is scion? Scion is the rootless part of a young plant that is used in grafting. Remember. Only this much is not complete, okay? Define callus. The small piece of a tissue that grows into plant masses is called callus. What do you say? The small piece of a tissue that grows into plant masses is called callus. What is specific diversity? Species diversity is the diversity of living species, right? Give an example of ecosystem diversity. Desert is ecosystem diversity, or grassland also ecosystem diversity, right? Where do microorganisms live? Microorganisms live in air, water, dust, etc. Dust, D-U-C-T. Okay? D-U-S-T, dust, not D-U-C-T, D-U-S-T. What is the full form of Wi-Fi? The full form of Wi-Fi is wireless fidelity. Oh, we prepared this, please come here. And next one is information or data from a group of people, right? From a group of people. Okay, now short questions. What are the different types of practical activities? Core activities, directly related activities, and complementary activities, right? Name any 4 ICT devices: TV, mobile, radio, newspaper, right? Write the types of plastids: chloroplast, chromoplast, and leucoplast. So, you have to remember their function also. Function of chloroplast, function of chromoplast, function of leucoplast. Okay. Define sustainable development. So carrying out the work activities in a proper way and in a eco-friendly way. Proper way and eco-friendly way. But it must be of 2 marks. Yes or no? 2 marks means the question is a bit less, we have to increase there, right? Write 4 importance of sustainable development. Oh my God. To balance the environment for long-lasting use of natural resources, to preserve natural resources for the future, to provide settlement and food for wildlife, right? Mention the types of layering. Air layering, simple layering, deep layering, and compound layering, right? Define acceleration. Oh, this is 1 mark question, right? How do you define acceleration? Or the rate of change of velocity is called, with time is called acceleration. What are the 2 types of acceleration? Hey boys, what is going on there? You 2 boys are talking. What are saying? Don't act. Remember the max. 3 out of 20. He was very happy. Remember it? People, they must feel regret by this English mark. He was very happy. At least he got 3 marks. 1, 2, 3. Half of? Remember. What is relative velocity? Reference point, yeah. The velocity of a body related to a reference point is called relative velocity. If the bodies are moving in the same direction, we have to subtract. If they are going in opposite direction, we have to add. Now, long questions. Read the question. What do you mean by AI? Write application areas of AI. Read the answer. Healthcare, education, finance, robotics, social media, etc. Nowadays, by the help of AI, we can make song also, music also, poem also. But our creativity is zero. What is there, Jumra, in your head or what? Huh? Keep your hand up. Just feeling. 1 Jumra, 2 Jumra. Huh? Give hand up. Bath regularly. Not bathing and then toss the sound. Smell. Number 2. Mention the role of Ministry of Forest and Environment in conservation of diversity. What is given? Ministry of Forest and Environment in conservation of diversity is engaging on biodiversity conservation under the frame of biodiversity strategy, and so they make many more plans, formulas. What is fertilization? This is only one. For 4 mark question, only one like this. It became very, very weaker type of question. When one male gamete of the pollen tube fuses with the female gamete or ovum, zygote, this process. Very simple. Fertilization is the process of fusion of male gamete and female gamete. Yesterday, one question was there, diagram to show the fertilization. Yes or no? Those things you have to practice. Questions are very easy, but main thing is answer. Whether you make your answer easy or difficult. A man runs 1200 meters on a straight line in 4 minutes. Find his velocity. How do you do? Distance is how much? 1200 meters. Time taken is how much? 4 minutes. But minute must be changed into. Why are you biting your item? Say, Master Karki. 40 seconds. Then velocity V equals to what is the formula? Distance traveled by time taken. Then 1200 by 245 meters per second. So give him a big round of applause. Madam Curie? Madam Curie has the pass. And next, whose duty was there? You? Stephen Hawking is completed. Now, who's one? Let's check it. So that Amrit Kumar or Niels Bohr. Niels Bohr is great. Okay. Bohre. BOHR. NEILS BOHR. Please come here. So you prepared question or your friends also help? Hi, Babu, tell. Did they help or you only prepared? They helped? Okay. Let me download, right? So after Niels Bohr, then Niradan, which group you belong to? Einstein, and next one you? Newton. Oh. Sometimes the net becomes a bit slow, sometimes a bit fast cancel. Enable editing. Okay. So this is prepared by Niels Bohr group. Amrit Kumar is here. Okay, Amrit, you just check. Hey, everybody see this one. What is the testing of hypothesis called? Experiment. Experiment. Which of the following is an ICD device? Sorry? Which is known as the father of taxonomy? Carolus Linnaeus is here. What does EI stand for? I think the first question. I think this is repeated, right? Earlier also it was here. Sitting posture is not correct, Bob. Next one is, which of the following is related with faunal diversity? Which of the following part of potato is used as vegetable? Tuber. That's right. Hey, tuber is not soccer. It's soccer and it's soccer. Wait, see the wall down. Why do you need pen right now? Make diagonal straight, everybody. Attention. Your position is not so good. Dhallak. What is it? Another dhal. Sit down there. Why? Why are you doing like this? Make diagonal straight. These bombs cannot sit correctly. Sometimes why? Which one of the following is hermaphrodite? Hermaphrodite means there is presence of both male gamete and female gamete. Which one is the SI unit of retardation? Meter per second square. So this capital M should not be there. There must be small m. Okay, if you write capital M, that's wrong. Be confirmed. To make you confused, it can be given like that. Capital M, S square by S square. That is wrong. Small m by S square is right. Okay. What is the SI unit of force? Newton. Then, which statement is true about retardation? These questions seem quite easy. But books questions or the exam questions may be difficult, but they are not difficult. You have to set in mind. You have to read. You have to practice time and again. Very short question. Define scientific learning. What is the answer? What is cybercrime? What is SAIL? Define biodiversity. Mention the types of layering. Define average velocity. The average velocity I will define. Between average velocity and relative velocity. Long questions. What is social networking? Write any two advantages and disadvantages of it. Mention any 4 causes of deforestation. Can the average speed ever be 0? How do speed dispersal? How do seed disperse? Why is dispersal of seed necessary for them? Okay. Actually, this 4 marks question, they must be diagrammatic. Understood or not? It must be connected with diagram. Then only it will be heavy. Okay? So that is the thing. So we have discussed 2. How much time is left? I think one more we can discuss, right? But let's discuss one more, then remaining can be discussed tomorrow. So please go, Babu. Now who is next one? Purnima, Keshav Magar. Keshav Magar, who is this? Sujan Rokaya, Raju, Niradan Shrestha. Oh, Niradan, you can you stand or you want to stay there only? Yeah. Okay, Deep. So now this boy, he will lead himself. Come here. This dangerous boy.
I don't know why it became like this, but it wasn't. Good. Okay. So hello everyone, as you all know, it's me Rajan Shrestha. So all of your classmates. So today I'm going to present about the sample question for the second term according to the specification grid. So the first question is about multiple choice question, which is 10 marks for one marks for each, and there are 10 questions. So the first question is, which of the following tool is used for data collection in survey? So the options are given: questionnaire, observation, research, and experiment. So the correct answer is, you can answer it. Yes, the correct answer is questionnaire. So So cybercrime, these are the crimes that are committed using the internet, and the options given here are genuine identity, which is the real identity, fake identity, open secured sites, and open unsecured sites. So the correct answer is fake identity. The next question is, which one of the following microorganisms convert milk into curd? So this is from the chapter 4, living beings and structures. So the question is, answer the options are rhizobium, bacteriophage, Saccharomyces, and lactobacillus. So yes, the answer is lactobacillus. Yes, again. So the fourth question is given here. So what does EIA stands for? The options are, so it is a repeatable question, so it came in all of their sets. So the first question option is environment impact assessment, environment internal assessment, environment impact access, and environment internal access. So what is the right answer? Yes, the first option is the correct one. The fifth question is, through which part of the seed does water enter into the seed? The options are endosperm, micropyle, ileum, and seed coat. And the correct answer is, yes, it's your turn to answer. No? No. Yes, the answer is micropyle. So it's the sixth question. Which of the following statement is in favor of sustainable development? The first option is no effects on natural resources, positive effects on natural resources, negative effects on natural resources, and both positive and negative impacts. The correct answer is yes, this is the correct one. In which of and seventh question is, in which of the following does vegetative propagation take place through the root? Okay, the answer is potato. Yes. And the eighth question is, which statement is true about retardation? The options are, it occurs when occurring. Yes, the answer is correct. Yes. The ninth question, how does a third class lever make our work easier to do? The first option is by magnifying force. Second option is by gaining speed. And the third option is by changing the direction of force, and the fourth option is given both first and second points. So the both one and two the options were by magnifying force and by gaining speed. So the 10th question given here is, which statement is true about compressed air? So there is more distance between the molecules of air. There is less distance between the molecules of air. It can be used in braking system of vehicles, and it cannot be used in power tools. So which one of the following answers can be suitable for this statement? Huh? The 10th question. So which statement is true about compressed air? The options are given. Huh? Only from this side. Any the question is this. So I want the one answer from this row. So this row is being silent. Yes. 10th question of MCQs. Okay. Okay. Um, how is it phone number? It says it can be used in power tools. So power tools, yes, it can be. Okay, so question number 2 is a short answer question. So there are gonna be 8 questions for which is 1 marks each. That makes it 8 marks. So the first question is define scientific learning. So, excuse me, sir. So shall I say the answers or only the questions? So the first question is define scientific learning. Second question is write the form of DTS. Name 2 organisms from kingdom fungi. What do you mean by sustainable development? Mention 2 goals of sustainable development. What is vegetative propagation? Define cross pollination. What is the SI unit of velocity? So the third question is our short answer questions. Which there are gonna be 8 questions for which is 2 marks each, which is going to make it 16 marks. So the first question is given a method and to importance of scientific test or experiment, we can say it. And the question number second is write and to computer code of conduct, the moral principles that we should follow while using a computer. The third question is what is cell membrane and write its one function. So it's from the chapter Unit and structures. And the fourth question is mention and to importance of sustainable development. And fifth question is if afforestation should be promoted, justify this statement. It is a give reason question. So the sixth question is write and to significances of asexual reproduction. Seventh question is gonna be a numerical problem, so we have to solve it. A motorcycle covers a distance of 1.8 kilometer in 5 minutes. Calculate its average velocity. The eighth question is difference between second class liver and third class liver. It's a difference between question. So the fourth question is gonna be about long question answer. So there is going to be 4 questions, which is 4 marks each. That makes it 16 marks. So the questions are derive that P equal to DHG. So it means to just prove it. So germination of seed with a diagram only. So you have to draw a diagram which is presented in our book also that shows germination of seed. And mention any 5 effects of exploitation of natural resources. Write advantages and disadvantages of cloud computing. Thank you. That was all about my sample questions.
Okay, thank you very much. So today we discussed sample question of 3 groups. At first of Rakshak, Oppenheimer, and second Amrit, Niels Bohr, and third Nirajan's Albert Einstein. And tomorrow Karunaj, Newton's question. Plus, and tomorrow what you have to do, captain, you have to teach your friends. Captain will teach their friends. So you bring different difficult questions. Ask your friend, they will guide you in a group. Understood, Anand? Okay, that is your duty. And if your work is not completed, please complete. Right? Thank you.